Here's a new charger from UGREEN, shaped like a robot. The face identifies whether it's recharging, charging is complete, or if it's in standby mode. Up to 65 watts. The back of the box. Let's take a look what's inside. On the inside of the box here, it says his name is RG. But there again at the bottom you can see the face indicators. There's the robot itself. It's got a good weight to it. It's not plastic. Feet come off to reveal the prongs for charging. Let's set it up, see what it looks like. So here we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. We're going to use that to charge. So, pushing that down. Let's take this little screen protector off here. And hopefully you can see the eyes and the mouth there. On the top you have two USB Type-Cs and a standard Type-A. For the Samsung, we're going to put it into the Type-C. And you can see the charge indicator on the phone. And the face has the eyes and the mouth there showing the charge status, which, if you look inside the box there, the very left icon is recharging. We'll see what happens when it gets to 100% here in just a moment. Well, as you can see, the phone is now 100% and the little robot is still showing the charge icon, so it must be just going in a trickle charge instead of going to a standby or showing the charge complete. But, oh, speaking of, it just changed over to now standby. You can see that from this icon right there. Standby. So it does change faces to tell you what's going on. Very cool robot.